Hey, here I'm going to show how you can add a product limit add-on. So first of all, go to the apps, then navigate to our order delivery date app. After getting inside the order delivery date dashboard, go to on the add-on page, then look for the product limit add-on. So here we found it. Let's install it. After clicking on install, you will be redirected to the app recurring charge pages, so where you can accept the billing of the app, including the order delivery date and product limit add-on. With the new pricing, you can see, because this is the trial, so you can see that 9.99 USD for the main app. Then after additional fee may be applied, which will be 3.99 USD. Let's approve. So here, after approving the charges, you will be redirected to the page again. Then if you want to see the add-on, go to the settings, then product limit. Here your add-on is ready to see. Thank you.